Climate change is one of the most important challenges we're facing today. And while we are talking about renewable energy, mostly with respect to producing electricity, the huge energy demand for heating and cooling is often overlooked. 50% of Europe's final energy consumption can be attributed to energy used to heat or cool our buildings. This leads to a high dependence on fossil fuel imports. We simply have to use our energy wisely. Though, about 80 million of 120 million installed space heating systems in Europe currently only achieve an energy label C or D. These facts give rise to motivate end consumers to replace their equipment as quickly as possible with more efficient, environmentally friendly alternative systems. This is the mission of the project Replace.
The challenges. As a rule, outdated heating and cooling systems normally are replaced when they permanently fail during use or are about to fail. There is then often no time for informed decisions towards the change to an alternative heating system. In addition, the amount of information required for a changeover is high. Many questions have to be clarified and different bodies consulted.
Often, there's not enough money available to afford climate-friendly systems with higher upfront investment, even though costs are much lower in the long run.
By replacing your inefficient heating system right now, you can immediately reduce energy consumption and CO2 emissions. If you complement your oven or boiler replacement by some simple energy-saving measures, you can not only easily reduce your energy consumption by 20 to 30%, but also save a lot of money due to a reduced heating bill.
The mission? For the first time, replacement campaigns take place on a coordinated trans-regional level. The project Replace, with its 12 partners in 9 countries, develops tailored information campaigns in 10 pilot regions across Europe and southeastern European countries.
Replace offers information and consulting for end consumers, like for example online tools, in order to quickly find CO2-friendly technology options suited to your house and estimate the costs and benefits of those replacing systems.
Boiler and oven replacement campaigns in 10 target regions habiting 8 million residents.
Trainings for installers, intermediaries, as well as investors that provide basic rules for planning sustainable systems.
Spreads best practice examples through organizing field trips and open house events and more.
The Northwest Croatia Regional Energy Agency REGEA is a partner on the project Replace. The target region of Northwest Croatia covers Karlovac County, Krapina-Zagorje County, Zagreb County and the city of Zagreb. In the region, we need to boost the phase out of inefficient and old cooling systems by targeting consumers, investors, installers and chimney sweepers and support them in the making of feasible and sustainable solutions for the use of renewable energy sources in their households. To boost the phase out of the efficient and old cooling systems, energy savings campaigns will be initiated in the Northwest Croatia with the help and support of the chimney sweepers and installers. The main objective of the campaign will be to label existing boilers in the households visited by the chimney sweepers and installers, as well as communicating the benefits of the boiler replacement.
Spain, in the region of Castilla-León, what we are planning to do is to prepare a replacement campaign to support our consumers to change their old oil and coal boilers by new biomass systems. The way to support them by this campaign will be through specific activities, like preparing a place where they can find good information and the best practices, and also a place where they can ask any questions they might have. The regional government, through EREN, the Regional Energy Agency, will also prepare some funding, a specific fund, for this substitution, aimed at gaining the targets of the regional government and the overall region. Also, what we would like to do is to activate the market. Not only consumers need this kind of support, but also installers and financiers and other market actors will benefit from our project action.
The results? By replacing their inefficient systems, end users save energy, CO2 and money. Air quality and environment improve. Property value increases through sustainable and climate-friendly energy supply. Homeowners and regions strengthen their resilience due to regionally sourced renewable energy. Find out more about the project and visit our website, replace-project.eu.